In this video, I will be showing you how to make a New Year card in Canva. Let's get started. First, I go to the search bar on the home screen and type in card to see the available options. After browsing the templates, I decide to start from scratch by clicking Create a Blank Card Landscape. Once the editor opens, I head over to the Elements tab and search for Happy New Year. I filter the results to show only free graphics and scroll through until I find the perfect design. I click on this colorful Happy New Year graphic, then resize and center it on my canvas. Next, I want to add the year, so I search for number in the Elements library. I select these stylized numbers to create 2027. I carefully arrange each digit, group them together, and place them right above my main greeting. To add a personal message, I click the Text tab and type, "Have a prosperous new year." I change the text color to a bright pink to match the design and choose a playful font style before positioning it at the bottom. To give the card some extra flair, I search for sparkle in Elements. I add some yellow stars and a pink decorative flourish, adjusting the layers so the flourish sits behind the text. I finish up by placing a few more small sparkles around the design. Finally, I click Share, then Download, and select PNG to save my creation. I hope this tutorial helps you create a beautiful card for your celebrations.